Hey everyone. This is Sweat Life, and if you've been tight, stiff, or just can't hit depth in your squats, it's time to level up with this 5-step ATG mobility routine. Let's go. Step 1, the slant board tib raise, ankle mobility plus shin strength voiceover. Alright, let's kick it off with the tibialis raise on a slant board or against a wall. Why? Because ankle mobility starts with tibialis strength. You can't get knees over toes if your shins are weak. How to do it? 1. Stand with your back against the wall or a slant board under your heels. 2. Flex your toes up as high as possible. 3. Control the lowering. 4. Do 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Pro tip, you'll feel this burn in the shins. It's closed, too. Stick with it. Step 2, Patrick step, knees over toes, light load voiceover. Now let's wake up those quads and build bulletproof knees. The Patrick step mimics a small step down with your knee driving over the toe, in control. How to do it? 1. Stand tall on one foot. 2. Slowly bend the working knee, touch the heel of your other foot in front of you to the ground. 3. Keep your torso upright and knee tracking over the toe. 4. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. This move builds quad strength, ankle mobility, and knee stability, all in one. Step 3, ATG Split Squat, the king of range voiceover. This is the foundation of the ATG method, the legendary ATG Split Squat. It builds unmatched hip, ankle, and knee mobility while strengthening your full range. How to do it? 1. Get into a long split stance. 2. Slowly descend until your hamstring touches your calf. 3. Keep the front heel down, back leg straight. 4. Use dumbbells for load as you get stronger. 5. 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps per leg. Important, your knee should go way over your toe, that's the goal. Step 4, Jefferson Curl, posterior chain love voiceover. Let's show the posterior chain some love, especially the hamstrings and spine. The Jefferson Curl is all about controlled spinal flexion and long-range hamstring work. How to do it? 1. Stand tall holding a light weight. 2. Slowly curl your spine down, vertebrae by vertebrae. 3. Let your hamstrings stretch. 4. Then reverse back up the same way. 5. 3 sets of 8 reps, slow and smooth. This move restores flexion most people have lost, especially if you sit all day. Step 5, reverse sled drag, bulletproof everything voiceover. We finish strong with the reverse sled drag, the ATG finisher. It's simple, safe, and incredible for knee health, quad strength, and conditioning. How to do it? 1. Strap up to a sled or load a belt. 2. Walk backwards slowly, driving through the balls of your feet. 3. Keep your knees over toes, no sled. Use a resistance band around your waist and drag something heavy, even a towel on a slick surface. This trains your VMO, improves circulation, and makes your knees feel amazing. Final voice out, wrap up. Let's recap. 1. Tib raises, for bulletproof ankles. 2. Patrick steps, for controlled knee mobility. 3. ATG split squats, for full range mastery. If you're serious about long-term joint health and mobility, this is the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a fire if you're adding this to your training. Thank you for watching.